Hello, mega love shout out everyone. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers all over the world. Happy Mother's Day to my sis in Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlog. Happy Mother's Day, sis. And shout out everyone to all my loyal supporters, subscribers. Shout out and thank you to those always supporting me, to my silent life, to my live, to my simple videos, short videos. Sorry, sometimes I on my silent live, but I can chat because I'm already sleeping and got tired. Because actually before my job, I have more free time. But this time, almost I don't have time to upload or make videos because so tired and my time short. Pasensya na kayo sa mga sumusuporta sa akin, pasensya na kayo, hindi ako nakakadalaw dahil nagka-problema dito, bawal sabihin. And thank you guys, to all of you, to those always supporting me. Big thanks to all my sisikoys. Thank you so much. Then I was very sick almost 3 months now. Siguro na-stress ako sa stress lang ako siguro sa pagpalit ng trabaho ko, tapos medyo nagka-tension dito last month, pero okay na ngayon. Basta ko yung mga ito, dalakad pa sa harapan ko. Hinihintay ko magbukas yung Filipino restaurant, guys, kasi Mother's Day today. I will celebrate by my own self. Sabi ng amo ko, go out at mag-celebrate ka ng ng Mother's Day. So ayun, nakasarap pa yung Filipino foods. Inasal Express Restaurant. Ayun. Bawal kasi na na mag-video na dito. Kaya lang nakaw-nakaw lang guys ang video ko kasi pinagbabawal dito. Thank you guys, and thank you for supporting me. Rose Dumelo Vlog. May God bless us all.